this was your starting quarterback. Remember, you picked this guy over Deshaun Watson. Savage. So there's got to be some confidence that the coaches have. But let's face it, you lost a special guy. Yeah. And, you know, they used to say this, that you can't do one without the other. And when you have an ACL on one leg, sometimes it happens on the other. But this guy, one thing he's done, he responded, you know, to it. He got actually better after he had the surgery. So great news in the long haul. This guy's going to be special. He is special. But in the short term, you have the guy you picked as your starting quarterback, so there's no reason why you can't still win.
I was devastated. Yeah. You know, I tweeted out as soon as sometimes you get these fake tweets. You never know what's real these days, right? So NFL talking about this guy, Deshaun just tore his ACL, and I'm like, no way, man. You know, just as a football fan, somebody who just loves to see great football, see great players. Last week I said there was a star born, you know, with him going up there to Seattle and giving them the game and giving us the game that he gave us. Just devastated, man, because from all we've heard about Deshaun Watson, we know about how great a kid he was. We talked about, you know, him giving money to people who needed it after the hurricane. This one hurts. And for me, it's selfish reasons because I'm a football fan. Yeah. I like to watch football. I like to watch greatness. And he was giving us something that we hadn't seen. You just talked about that list you've seen up there on the board of all those names that he has surpassed in the first, you know, couple of games of his career. So I'm hurting for him. I'm hurting for myself. But then for this Texans team, I don't see a way forward for him without Deshaun Watson. So I'm sorry. I know you're optimistic. I am not.